So what do I do with my dog or my cat or my ferret or my bird or whatever if I'm getting ready to show my house? First, your pets themselves, the physical being. Make sure that you either have especially dogs, make sure that you have them crated or in a comfortable spot where the potential buyers can actually see the home, but your animals are not going to be underfoot, scaring people, potentially running out the door, or anything else. My best advice, give them to a friend or a family member or board them for a couple of days, at least when you first start the showing process. Number 2, get the dog hair off of everything. If you have pets that make a mess, or you've got dog toys or cat toys or giant cat towers everywhere that are distracting for a potential buyer, get those out of the way. Do a deep clean, get the evidence of your lovely fur babies out of the way so that people can make an objective decision on your home. Number 3, I'm gonna go back to that same thing from number 2 and reiterate the cleaning. Lots and lots of people will run the vacuum and think that's good enough, but I'm telling you a deep clean will really make a difference and get away some of the smells that we sometimes, as they say, become nose blind to. That goes for the backyard too. Trust me, nobody wants to take a look at their potential new backyard and find that they have stepped in something on the way back into your house. That's not good for anybody, trust me. If you're thinking of selling, following these tips are really gonna help you get your home on the market. If you do have pets, it'll make it easier for people to see your house, for people to show your house, and for your pets to not have to deal with strangers coming in all the time. If you have any more questions, I'd love to help you get your home ready and your pets ready to make the move that you wanna make.